Today we are going to discuss few chapters of class 6th GK, and your first chapter is chapter number 13 is Indian classical dancers. Okay, so as you know, there are many types of dances, but here your writer has described about classical dances. So who are the classical dancers? If you want to see, then you can see here. ओके, सोहाना नारायण, ठीक है, सोहाना नारायण, पंडित बिरजू, महाराज यामिनी, पूर्ण तिलाका, कृष्णमूर्ति, इसे पूर्ण तिलक भी हम कहते हैं, कृष्णमूर्ति, मल्लिका सराभाई, सोनल मानसिंह, रुक्मिणी देवी, Arundel. These are the dancers, guys. You can watch. He is a dancer, she is a dancer, she is a dancer. Okay, so you can find out. She is a dancer, she is a dancer, she is a dancer. Okay, so in short we can say that these are dancers. And in chapter number 14, art and fabric, means these are a kind of art. Okay, these are a kind of art. So here we can say that Bandhani, Zardozi, चिकनकारी, कालमकारी, फुलकारी, these are art of different places. Okay, the bandhani and kalamkari use colors made of natural ingredients such as leaves, roots and flowers. Okay, so in this chapter only we will discuss the people of India are skilled with versatile handicraft, and every region has its own specialty. Fabrics from various states showcase the heritage of the region. Identify the name of the handicraft with the help of the description given below. So here these are the different kinds of arts, and you will have to search out. Okay, and question number 15, this is not question number 15, this is a chapter number 15, stars of India. Means you can say that these are the great person in India. Indians have left their mark in every field globally and made to the country proud. Identify the famous personalities of India with the help of the description provided below. Okay, so here we will say that लता मंगेशकर, सत्यजीत राय, कैलाश सत्यार्थी, वर्गीस कुरियन, श्रीधरन, अंजिम प्रेमजी, ऋतु कृधाल. These are stars of our India. Okay guys, next thing is that India in the 21st century. So India is shining and today leaving its mark globally. अब देखो आजकल पूरे दुनिया में भारत का एक नाम है, ये पॉपुलर है पूरे वर्ल्ड में. Indians are leaping high and taking progressive steps towards growth and every domain. हर क्षेत्र में भारत मेरा क्या कर रहा, विकास कर रहा. Answer this question to understand how India had really done wonders in different segments. These are the पोलियो, चंद्रयान, स्वच्छ भारत अभियान, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स, तेजस एक्सप्रेस, कोची एयरपोर्ट, स्लमडॉग मिलियनेयर, आईसीसी क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप, दिल्ली मेट्रो, अभिनव बिंद्रा. In chapter number 17, we will discuss about mammal quest. Okay, so firstly we should know what are mammals. So here mammals are those animals, means mammals is a kind of animal. Mammals are those animals which give birth to their young ones. mammals ऐसे क्या होते हैं, एनिमल्स होते हैं जो अपने आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए जन्म देते हैं, बच्चे पैदा करते हैं. दे आर फाउंड on land, air and water. With the help of clue box given below, can you identify some of them? Guys, you are advised that each and every answer you can find out in your answer key which is given in your book. So animal crossword, this is a animal crossword. Okay, this is a animal crossword. Next thing is aquatic plants, जलीय पौधे. aquatic plants means हम लोग जलीय पौधे के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. किसके बारे में, जलीय पौधे के बारे में. These are the lotus etc. 20, chapter number 20. 20 is several animals in the course of time have developed. Okay, so here danger have developed unique defense mechanism to protect themselves from danger or to camouflage themselves with the surrounding to and their prey. We introduce you to a few of them. Okay, तो मैचलेस डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म्स की बातें इसमें होंगी. So here you have hell box and you can find out stick insects, cuttlefish, Malaysian exploding ant, electric eel, horned lizard, cyanoid excreting millipede. Okay, next thing is इंसेक्ट्स एंड पक्स. ये कीड़े मकोड़ों की बात हो रही है इस चैप्टर में. इंसेक्ट्स एंड क्रिकेट भी हैं, एफिड्स भी हैं, स्पाइडर हैं, माइट्स हैं, ट्रू फ्लाइज है, लोकस्ट, थ्रिप्स. ओके, डिड यू नो cricket have their ears on their front legs just below the knees. बच्चे जब देखते हैं इंसेक्ट्स एंड बॉक्स की बात करेंगे. So guys, you all are advised to read this chapter and tomorrow I think I will provide you PDF. So your today's homework, anyhow you should prepare whole syllabus for your example.